This is Binks, our 14-year-old Flame Point Siamese, and we know how important it is for him to continue to get exercise even at his senior age. This is the Bird fishing pole, and this is a toy that he's loved his entire life. Now that he's older, he does what we call lazy play, where he doesn't really jump super high and run as fast as he used to, but he still absolutely loves this toy. I think these real feathers are really what attracts him to it, and we always keep a stockpile on hand so we don't run out. This is really a great way to keep your senior cat active.